The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
Hello to my wonderful crafty creators. How are y'all doing? I hope y'all doing just fine. As you can see, I got my hand covering up an address, but you can see the logo right here that this is from Cabbage Patch Soap. So I'm going to open the box and get a reveal, and we can go from there. So let me turn this like this because I don't want you to see an address, okay? Don't want you to see an address. I am going to just politely get this opened. Let's see if I can see which way. I think I need to open it from this side here. Just give me a moment. I am coming. I am coming. Coming, my dear. Okay. So now there's no address showing. Okay, surprise. Felicia, I hope you like it. With the little hearts. It's from Laura. Okay. So this was really a big surprise. Okay, very big surprise. All right, I know y'all don't have time for all of this, but this is something that I like to do. Any little notes like this, I like to just put the date on it and put it on my wall of items. So today is the 23rd, 11/23/2001. I'm just gonna put Cabbage Patch. See what I did? Cabbage Patch. All right. So let's get on with it. Voila. Too bad my hands are ashy and everything because I have been working earlier on a few things. Okay. So I'm gonna take the shredded pieces out. She always do things so nicely. You know what I mean? Everything is really, 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 really nice. So let's see what... I already think I know what this is. Oh, okay. Okay. Y'all don't... Look, let me tell you. I get surprised very easily, and I get very, 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 very excited, okay? So let's open this. Oh, honey. She's so professional with her stickers and everything, you know? Oh, disrespectful flies soap. How about that? Oh gosh. This smells so good. So, oh my gosh. Look at the fly, y'all. He's so disrespectful. Y'all, this soap, okay. It feels good. It feels good. It smells good. It is so pretty. Like, I'm going to use it because it smells so good. Like, I don't know what's in that. Oh my gosh. Smell. Oh my God. It smells so freaking good. I'm going to use that tonight. Look what we have here. Oh my gracious. I'm just going to rip this. You know, I just can't wait. I can't go through the little, you know, unwrapping it carefully and stuff like that. I just got to open it, honey. Oh, let's see what this is. Let me see. Cabbage Patch, you know I can't see. But it does say roll on and fragrance. Okay, and it has, oh gosh, I can't see what that says. Love and, oh, love spell. Okay, let's check it out, y'all. Let's check it out. Let me see. Wait 1 second. Get the roll. That smells good. Cabbage Patch. Oh my. Y'all, please. I'm smelling. Oh gosh, that smells great. It smells so good. It smells good. It smells, oh, yeah, that smells good. It smells fresh. It smells fresh and it smells clean. And a little bit of history. Love spell, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is one of Victoria's Secret, one of Victoria's Secret scents, I think. And this, it smells good. It smells really good. So oh gosh, let me see, smell them together. Y'all, perfect. This is a perfect match, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to like take my soap and slice it, okay, because this is a big bar of soap. This is a very big bar of soap. It's so nice. Okay, disrespectful flies. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Ingredients: water, olive oil, palm oil, sodium hydroxide, castor oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, sodium lactate, aloe, oatmeal, titanium dioxide, sucrose, sea salt, fragrance, mica. And it has her information, which is Cabbage Patch Soap. Okay. She has a channel, y'all. For most of y'all that watch my channel know that Cabbage Patch Soap has a channel. She makes these soaps. She does an excellent job at it. And this smells so good. Like, I'm going to try to take it and split it in half. I'm going to try to take it and split it in half because I don't want, like, to use it all at once. I want to split it in half so it can last longer. And this is just, this is outstanding. Cabbage Patch, girl, honey, you did this for me. Oh my, you're so sweet. I love it. Y'all, please, if you're not used to this channel, okay, like I said, visit Cabbage Patch Soap, okay? Visit her channel. She makes these awesome soaps, okay? And you just heard me read the ingredients on it. Those ingredients are great, all right? They're great. They're great for your skin. It softens your skin and everything is moisturized. So check her out, okay? Please go check her out. And when you give her recommendations, she takes them gracefully, all right? She take them gracefully and she come up with this magical, magical thing and make a very nice product. And she shows all the things that she does on her channel with her soaps. So check her out, okay? And I'm only saying this because she does an amazing job, y'all. She really do. It is amazing what she does. I like to really thank her. And I need to come up with a title for this because, for one, okay, in my shop, we always have disrespectful flies, okay? If you're used to coming to this channel, there's always a fly trying to come around when I'm trying to do something, because we have chickens and dogs and cats and all of that kind of stuff. And so when my door comes open and closed, a fly is bound to come in. Right now it's cooler, so I don't have any flies coming in, but this is going to remind me of the disrespectful flies, y'all. The disrespectful flies. Y'all, please, 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 please check her out, okay? Go subscribe. Check her out. See what her work is like, because it is awesome. It's phenomenal, okay? I cannot stress to you how much of a relaxation you see while she's going through this. Now, she's not like the type of person like me. I'm laughing and talking to myself and all that kind of stuff. Now, she don't do that. She just talk you through the process, show you the beginning from the ending, and voila, you have a very nice product, okay? Very nice. You see that fly? Honey, I'm gonna wash with that fly. Now, this will be the first time I wash with a disrespectful fly, all right? So, I hope that, you know, I hope this is in her store so that everybody can see what it smells like, because honey, it smells delicious. I love it. It's just, I just have to keep smelling it. Like, it's so fresh and clean. It's very, very clean scent. Very clean. So I love that. But okay, I got to get on with this video. So thank you, Cabbage Patch. Thank you so very much. You are beautiful inside out, sweetie. I do love you and your work. Okay, I do. It's so nice. It was such a great idea that you sent this to me. You know, it was a surprise. I'm telling you, it was a surprise. So I know y'all can't smell through the camera, but honey, it is all clean. It smells very clean. I love that. I love it. So y'all, please check her out, Cabbage Patch Soap. I will leave a link in the description so that you can, you know, go check out her products. You know, she may have something that you would love to have. You know, this soap is everything. She sent me some samples, and y'all, they gone. They gone. But that's why I said I'm gonna take this and split it so that I can make it go a little bit longer, because it's really good for your skin. It's really good for your skin. I think anything that has shea butter in it and cocoa butter is really great for your skin. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna wrap it up, because you know I can talk on and on and on about this soap. Really, I can. Okay, I can. So just know, check her out. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see, you know, what all you would like and how to get in contact with her and everything. And yeah, y'all stay positive, say something kind to someone. And Cabbage Patch, I love you, girl. I love you, girl. I will see you all later. Bye.